Please do not upload at the same time.
Okay, sir.
Upload daily. Okay?
Sir, I did upload daily.
Yeah?
I did upload daily.
Yes, yes, yes. It is recommendation to you, all of you, that you have to upload the assignments daily. Okay? Just make sure you are doing your homework. Okay? For better attention in your understanding in the maths. Who is joined with Samsung? SM? Ramiz?
No, sir, it's me, Abdul.
Change your name.
Okay, sir.
And open your camera. We have done examples and question number 6 also. Example 4. Okay, see this question. AB is parallel to given as CD. Okay. And CD is parallel to given as EF. So if AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, so we can say that AB is also parallel to EF. Okay. AB is also parallel to EF. It means 3 lines are parallel to each other. The ratio of Y and Z is given as 3:7. We have to find X. If you have given as a ratio, so you have to let with some variable. Okay, with some variable. Y ratio Z is given 3:7. So you can let Y angle Y as 3A and angle Z as 7A. Okay. I am let a variable here which is A. You can let any of the variable. Okay. Now can you tell me what is the relation between angle Y and angle Z? Angle Y will be equal to this angle. Okay. Because these are the vertically opposite angles. This is also equal to Y. Okay. Vertically opposite angles. And the angles with same side in the transversal, the sum of the angles of the same side of the transversal is 180°. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So angle Y plus angle Z will be equal to 180°. Okay, Abdul?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, this is the sum of the same side of the transversal. Angle Y is 3A
Okay.
and angle Z is 7A equal to 180. 3A plus 7A is 10A equal to 180 and A will be equal to 180 by 10,
18.
18. A will be equal to 18°. We have to find X. Okay.
So, sir, 7 into 80, 126.
First we find Y and Z and then we have find X. We will find X. Okay. So A will be equal to 18. Now we are finding angle Y and angle Z. Angle Y will be 3 into 18 is 54 and angle Z will be 7 into 18, 126. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can see here angle X plus angle Y. This is also the same side in the transversal. Okay. So the sum of these two angles will also be 180. Okay. Now we have the value of angle Y, which is 54 equal to 180. Okay. So angle X will be 180 minus 54. So angle X will be 126. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Note
Yes,
it down. Note it down.
Yes.
That's done, sir.
Okay. In this question, AB parallel to CD is given. AB is parallel to CD. Okay, and EF is perpendicular to CD. EF is also the transversal, and GE is also the transversal. There are two transversal here. Okay, this this is perpendicular is given and the angle is 90 degree. GED, the angle GED is given as 126. GED. Second. I'm making GED because FED is given is 90 degree. GED is sorry 126. Find angle AGE. AGE. You have to find this angle. GEF. You have to find this angle. And FGE. You have to find this angle. Find.
Sir,
Yes.
the angle next to letter G is GEF or FGE.
What?
The angle next to the letter G.
Next to the letter G.
Yes, sir. Is that angle GEF or angle FGE?
Which angle you are talking about?
Sir, the
This
angle
angle?
that you. Yes, sir.
This is FGE.
Okay, sir. Done.
You have done, Abdul and Sakshi?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, Sakshi, what is the value and what is the value of angle AGE?
Sir, 126.
Yes. Why? Because angle AGE and angle GED are the alternate
It's
interior angles.
alternate interior angle.
Yes. So it is also 126. You got the same answer, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, what is the angle GEF, Abdul? What is the value of angle GEF?
Sir, is it 36?
What?
36.
Yes, 36. Aspan, tell me, angle FGE.
Sir, 54 degree.
Yes, 54 degree. Fine. So this question. You have to make a construction here, okay?
Okay, sir.
What is the construction? You have to make a parallel line from Q. Sorry, P. Sorry, O. P. O. Okay? This is O. 1 second. PQ. No, this is, you have to make through R.
Once-
To find QRS.
Sir, is it 60 degrees?
QRS. What is your answer, Spam?
Sir, 120 degree.
QRS.
Sir, it's
Yes, sir.
70 degree.
You got the different answer, 60, 70. Why? See here. I'm making a line, okay, through R parallel to ST and PQ. Okay. For example, I'm making this line AB. Now, what is that angle? Angle SRB. This is the angle on same side of the transversal. 130 and this. Okay. So it will be 180 minus 130. So it will be 50 degree. Okay. 50 degree.
Yes.
Now, what about this angle? Angle ARQ. 180 minus 110. So it will be 70 degree. Okay. Now, these three angles making a linear pair. Angle ARQ plus angle QRS plus angle SRB will be equal to 180 degree. Angle ARQ is, we have find 70 and I'm finding angle QRS and angle SRB is 50 equal to 180. 70 plus 50 is 120. QRS equal to 180 minus 120. 60 degree. Okay.
Sir, I forgot to subtract it with 180.
Yes, yes. Done? Done, Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
Do this one. AD is parallel to CD is given. PRD is 127, find X and Y. And APQ is 50 is given. Okay? Find it. That's one. You finished dating or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay, Abdul Karim. What is the angle X?
Sir, angle X is 50 degrees.
What?
50 degrees.
Okay. Why? Why angle X is 50?
No, sir.
No?
No, Y is 80 degrees.
I am saying that why is angle X is 50? How?
Because alternate exterior angles. It is
Angle
alternate exterior.
alternate exterior or alternate interior?
Interior.
Angle APQ and angle X are alternate interior angle, okay?
Yeah.
Sakshi, angle Y. What is angle Y?
Sir, 77 degree.
77. Aswan, right? It is right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Because
Sir, I took angle sum property.
you can do any of the things because this is, if you are taking, this is 53. Okay? Same side of transversal. Then you can make angle Y as angles by linear pair. So it is 180 minus 103. So it will be 77. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now serious question.
What should you do this?
You understand the question or not? Tell me.
Understood.
PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. Okay, these are parallel lines. Understood?
Yes.
An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. Okay, this is the incident ray BC. AB. Okay, sorry, AB. The incident ray it strikes on point P. Okay. And reflected ray moves along the path BC and reflected it path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C. It strikes it at C. And again reflects back to along CD. Again reflects back to CD. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. You have to prove it AB is parallel to CD. And you have learned, I think, in the physics that the angle of reflection is equal to angle of incidence. Angle
Yes,
I
sir.
Yes.
will be equal to angle R. If a ray
Yes, sir.
strikes on a plane mirror, then angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflection. You have to make a construction here. You have to draw the normals from C and B, perpendiculars. Normals, or you can say that perpendiculars. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Draw, for example, I'm naming it as M and N. M, N. Draw MB perpendicular to PQ and NC perpendicular to RS. Okay? These are two perpendiculars. Okay? And if
Okay.
PQ is given parallel as RS, so BM will also be parallel to CN. Okay, NC or CN. Okay, write the name same. 1 second. I'm writing CN here. BM and CN. Okay, understood how it is parallel? Because PQ is parallel to RS. Okay, and these are two perpendiculars. So BM will be also parallel to CN. Okay, if BM is parallel to CN and BC is the transversal, BC is transversal. So this angle will be equal to this alternate interior angles. Okay, angle MBC will be equal to angle NCB, alternate interior angles. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes.
Because
sir.
BM is parallel to CN. Okay, so alternate interiors are equal because BC is the transversal. Okay, and also this angle will be equal to this because it is the angle of incidence and an angle of reflection. Angle ABM also angle ABM equal to angle MBC. angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflection. Okay. So this is 1, this is 2. MBC will be equal to C and CB here, and angle MBC will be equal to ABM here. So angle ABM and angle NCB will also be equal. Okay. ABM and NCB also be equal. Now in similarly, angle ABM will be equal to angle NCD. So if angle ABM equal to NCD, okay, one second. Oh, you have noted down here till yet?
No, sir.
Noted. One second. I'm making these question is easier. Write the name of the angles. This makes question easier. Write the name of the angles. For example, this is angle 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay. This makes the question easier. One second, I'm doing again.
That's
One second. This is easier. Angle 2 will be equal to angle 3, alternate interior angles. Okay. And angle 1 and angle 2 are angle of incidence and angle of reflection. These are equals. Okay. So you can see here angle 2 will be equal to angle 3 and angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. So angle 1 and 3 will be also equal. Okay. By 1 and 2. Okay. 1 and 3 are equal. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 4 are equal, angle of incidence and angle of reflection. And angle 3 will be also equal to angle 2. Alternate interior angles. So angle 3 will be also equal. Angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. This is equation 3. and this is equation 4. So we can say that by 1, 2, 3, and 4, all the angles are equal to each other. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 2, will be equal to angle 3, will be equal to angle 4. Okay. Now, adding equation 3 and 4. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is angle ABC. And angle 3 plus angle 4 is angle DCB or BCD. Now, these angles are proof equal. Angle ABC equal to angle DCB. So this is the alternate interior angles. Okay. So that's why AB is parallel to CD. Okay. Because this is the alternate interior angles. We have proved these are alternate interior angles. Okay. These are parallel lines. Do it. This question is difficult. Okay. You have to do the practice again.
Done.
साक्षी समझ आया या नहीं? क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट था.
Done, sir.
फिर से करूंगी.
मैंने चारों एंगल्स इक्वल प्रूफ किए हैं. ओके. देखो एक
Okay.
बार. अब्दुल सी.
Yes, sir. Done.
हाँ सी. सबसे पहले आई एम ड्रॉ ए परपेंडिकुलर बी एम एंड सी एन. ओके. बी एम और सी एन मैंने परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया. तो परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करने से क्या हुआ, क्योंकि पी क्यू और आर एस ऑलरेडी पैरेलल दी गई थी. सो बी एम और सी एन को जब परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया तो बी एम और सी एन भी क्या हो जाएंगे, आपस में पैरेलल हो जाएंगे. जब कोई
हाँ.
लाइन दो पैरेलल हैं और उसके परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ की जा रहे हैं तो वो भी आपस में पैरेलल होंगे. ओके.
Okay.
नाउ बिकॉज बी एम सी एन आर पैरेलल, सो एंगल 2 और एंगल 3 आपस में इक्वल हो जाएंगे क्योंकि ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स हैं यहाँ पे.
हाँ.
ओके. एंगल 2 एंगल 3 इक्वल हो गए. ओके. नाउ एंगल 1 और एंगल 2 भी आपस में क्या है, इक्वल है. क्यों? एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस और एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन क्या होते हैं, इक्वल होते हैं. ओके. बाय द लॉ ऑफ फिजिक्स, बाय द लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. दिस इज द लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन यू हैव रीड इन द फिजिक्स. ओके.
Yes.
For the plane mirror, the angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflection. So 1 2 के इक्वल है और 2 3 के इक्वल है, तो 1 और 3 भी तो आपस में इक्वल हुआ. ओके.
हाँ.
When angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 and angle 2 will be equal to angle 3. So 1 and 3 will be also equal.
Okay.
ओके. तो 1 और 3 भी इक्वल हो गए इक्वेशन 1 और 2 से. इसी तरह मैंने सेम इसमें किया तो एंगल 2 एंगल 4 के भी इक्वल होंगे. ओके. क्योंकि 2 और 3, 3 और 4, ये 4 है, 3 और 4 आपस में इक्वल है और 3 2 के इक्वल है, तो 2 और 4 भी आपस में इक्वल हो गए. ओके. तो इसका मतलब सभी इक्वेशन से अगर देखा जाए, मतलब ये सारे एंगल आपस में क्या है, इक्वल है. एंगल 1 2 3 4. ओके. नाउ एंड द लास्ट, यहां से मैंने क्या किया, ऐड किया इक्वेशन 3 और 4 को। आई हैव ऐड इक्वेशन 3 एंड इक्वेशन 4। तो मैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऐड किया और राइट हैंड साइड में राइट हैंड साइड ऐड किया। ओके, सो एंगल 1 प्लस
Okay.
एंगल 2, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 थी इसकी, इक्वेशन 3 की। दिस इज इक्वेशन 3
हाँ.
and this is equation 4. So angle 1 plus angle 2 and angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 1 plus angle 2 will be angle ABC. पूरा अगर देखा जाए, पूरा एंगल 1 और एंगल 2 क्या बना रहा है, पूरा ये एंगल क्या बना रहा है, एंगल ABC। ओके,
AB.
और एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 4 क्या बना रहा है, एंगल DCB। ओके, so now
Okay.
these angles I have proved equal. Okay, when these
Okay.
angles proved equal, so these are alternate interior angles। ये alternate interior angles है। ओके, तो when the two alternate interior angles are equal and BC is the transversal, okay, you have to write a line here, BC is the transversal and angle ABC and angle DCB are equal। Okay, so AB will be parallel to CD। Okay,
Okay.
understood Aswan?
Yes, sir.
Abdul,
Yes, sir.
this is important question। Okay,
Okay.
एक बार और ध्यान से देख लो इसे, see it again। This chapter has been completed from the NCERT book। Okay, now tell me which chapter you want to start, or you want to do some more questions from NCERT exemplars?
We can do more questions.
Yes.
You want to do more questions? Yes,
Yes, sir.
Abdul Kareem
Yes, sir.
and Sakshi.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and after it, when we do more questions, so what is the next chapter you want to start?
Sir, Heron's formula.
Heron's formula, Sakshi,
Yes.
सही रहेगा Heron's formula?
Surface area and volume.
Surface area volumes, अब्दुल करीम बाद में स्टार्ट करेंगे Heron's formula पे। ओके
Okay, sir.